Hello, today I'm in Land Rover Discovery. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can activate cruise control, reset it, cancel it and start it over. This panel right here allows us to navigate through radio, change radio station, increase, decrease radio volume and change radio source. These two buttons activates horn. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster menu. Of course, if you press here you'll answer the call and the call, and now thanks to this button you can activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.